You're afraid of heights, Jack?
I ain't afraid of shit.
Oh! Look, it's the assistant Bernie.
Assistant Bernie. Jack, how are you gonna get down?
I'm probably gonna like.
You can slide. You a firefighter, or you can like get your legs around it and slide like this down it.
Hell yeah.
Don't lean back. Don't lean back.
Wait, I'll catch you if you fall back.
Yeah, but Brandon was up there. I was like, what the fuck?
Chelsea go. Chelsea's right there.
You know about
What
9/11?
the hell? Cause okay, I'm
You
gonna
know
hold
those
it now.
motherfuckers that jumped off?
I can do it.
Like the fucking top stories?
I can do it.
Imagine how scary that shit would be.
I'll
got
catch
shit
it.
to be scared about.
I'll catch it if it falls out.
Oh god. He's sitting there like, how do I?
Allison, look out.
Oh my god, my motherfucking nuts.
Damn!
Oh! Look at that smooth exit.
What? Lighter?